Hi guys, so I'm here to talk about early college. I just want to remind you to apply and you can save a lot of money and a lot of time. When you go to high school, you're going to be required to do 26 credits. I believe that's what it is. So when you do the 26 credits, that means you're going to be taking 4 Englishes, 4 maths, 4 science, 4 social studies. And if you go to early college, you have the opportunity to get dual credit. Dual credit means that you take a class for college credit, but it's also going to give you credit for your high school. So you can save a lot of time. You can graduate from high school and have a 2-year degree. It's known as an associate's degree. So when you finish high school, you'll only need 2 more years of college and you can already get your bachelor's degree, which is a 4-year degree. So I encourage everybody to apply for early college, get in the counseling Google Classroom. The link is in there. There's also a video on how to apply. If you have questions, let me know, and see you later.